Welcome to Section 4, Area of a Triangle. In this video, we'll have a quick review of triangles as well as labeling them. So a triangle is a three-sided figure with three angles. So here we have some triangles. Now if all three side lengths are equal, we call that equilateral. If two of the side lengths are equal, we call that isosceles. And if none of the side lengths are equal, we call that scalene. Now in terms of the angles, if all three angles are smaller than 90, we call that an acute triangle like this one. Now if one of the angles is greater than 90, we call that obtuse. Or if you have a 90-degree angle, we call that a right triangle. Now let's look at the different parts of a triangle. The base is any side of a triangle. So I can label the bottom to be the base, or this side, even this side. You can label any side as the base. So then from there, the height is the distance from the base to the opposite vertex. Now in a triangle, the vertex is just the point at which two sides meet. So in any triangle, there are three vertices. So that could be a vertex, or here, or even here. So in this diagram, with the base being on the bottom, the height will go from the bottom up to the opposite vertex. Now if the base was on this side, that would be the height. So the height doesn't always necessarily need to be straight up and down, as long as the height and base are perpendicular to each other, just like in parallelograms. Now another way that we can look at the height is it being on the outside of the triangle. Again, there were some cases in parallelograms where the height was outside of the figure, so same thing with triangles. As long as the height and base are perpendicular, the height could be inside the triangle or it could be outside. So now you know how to label triangles. We can look at finding the area.